Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are good, hope you guys are great. If this is your first time of seeing this video, you're welcome. And to my returning subscriber, you're welcome. And please don't forget to like, share and comment. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Our first step is to gather the hair to the back of the head and secure with a rubber band. Then split the hair into 3 equal sections. Then take the middle and roll to create a bun. Keep rolling until you get to the end. Then you use your bobby pin to secure the bun to the head. Then you do the same for the first section, which you can see how I'm rolling. Keep rolling to create a tight bun. Meanwhile, the first rolling we did was a loose one, so the second one is a bit tight. You can see. For the last section, it's going to be a loose twist. So you can see the way I'm twisting is a loose twist. So you twist to the tip. So take it round and secure with the bobby pin. Voila! Here is our beauty. So here is our second bridal hairstyle. So section into 3 equal parts. Then create a loose braid to the tip. Ensure that your braid is loose. So you do the same for the second part. Create a loose braid down to the tip. Keep braiding until you get to the tip. Do the same for the last section, which is the third section. Braid down to the tip. So you can see how beautiful our loose braid is. So take the middle section. You see the way you keep rolling to create a bun. Then use our bobby pin to secure down to the head. Okay, do the same for the other braid. Roll, then cross it over to the other side, then secure with the pin. Then take the last to wrap around the bun. Here is the finished look of our beauty. Our third bridal hairstyles. You can see you don't have to break a bank before you can look good. So I'm creating a braid I brought out a little section of the hair from both sides and I'm braiding. You can see I'm braiding to braid down to the tip from the right. Then you also go to the left, braid from the roots to the tip on both sides. So I'm done with the other side. I'll move to the other side. So do the same braid. Then you take your rubber band to secure at the back. But at this time, you won't pull out the hair. You pull out, then divide into two. Then twist and pull both head up. Then use another rubber band to make it tie, just like so. That we should secure with a pin. Section your hair into two equal parts, then begin to twist. Begin to twist from the root to the tip. So we'll do the same for the other section. Twist from the roots to the tip. Begin to twist together to create a chain twist. Just like so, just like so. So you can see our chain twist. So we want to create a side bump with it. So my beautiful people, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Here is a final look. Bye bye.